In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove themes in Shopify. Whether you're cleaning up unused themes or just looking to streamline your theme library, this process is straightforward and can help maintain an organized and efficient Shopify store. Let's begin by focusing on removing an unpublished theme. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, look for the option labeled Online Store over on the left-hand side of the menu. Clicking on Online Store will expand more options underneath it, and from those, select Themes. This brings up the main page where you can view all the themes currently active or stored within your Shopify account. In this Themes section, you'll notice it's divided into parts, and for our task today, make your way over to the Theme Library section. This is where all the themes you've uploaded to Shopify, whether published or still in draft form, will reside. Take a moment to locate the specific theme you'd like to remove. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that the theme you're considering removing is indeed unpublished. Removing a live theme can cause unintended disruptions to your online store's appearance and functionality. Once you've identified the theme to be removed, direct your attention to the small icon represented by 3 dots, typically situated to the right of the theme's name. This is commonly referred to as the Actions menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will drop down a menu with various options related to theme actions. From this drop-down, select Remove. After you click Remove, a confirmation window will pop up, and it's designed to prevent any accidental deletions. Here, you'll need to confirm your intention to remove the theme by clicking Remove once again. This dual confirmation acts as a safety net, ensuring you don't mistakenly delete something essential. Once you confirm, the theme will be permanently deleted from your Shopify account's theme library. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully removed an unpublished theme from your Shopify store, making sure your theme library remains neatly organized. As a best practice tip, periodically revisiting this library to remove outdated or unnecessary themes can help streamline your site management and potentially improve your store's performance. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now more confident in managing and organizing your Shopify themes. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to explore our channel for more helpful tips on managing your Shopify store.